And once you installed apps, so you just need to enter the serial number. So this is the serial number. It's just in the front of the machine, but also you can find in the back of the machine. And you can just manually enter all the serial number, and you can also just scan it, so that one will be easier. So it's like just try to find it. Let me find it here. Here it is. Yeah, let's say insert, and then we can just delete the unnecessary number. So it's, for example, this is capital SS, and you see the serial number, they are same, exactly same, and you can log in. So that is easier. And then they will ask whether you need to match the Bluetooth. So that is quite important. Match the Bluetooth. Just click here. So just click here, and you can match.